Hey guys, this is Adam Winnig here with Blue Edge Financial, and I want to show you how to use the bank secret indicator. This is one of my favorite indicators. As you know, most indicators are lagging indicators, so they're basically telling you what has happened with price in the past. The cool thing I love about the bank secret indicator is it's an indication of what's likely to happen in the future. So let me show you how this actually works. If you just go to the Navigator tab here and you open up your indicators, it should be pre-installed for you, and you can just simply click, drag it on, and you can change the colors of it and yada yada yada, but you don't really need to, right? And once you do, you're going to see some red and blue zones that pop up. Okay, now this is an indication of, if it's red, this is like an area where you should be selling. This is an area where price is high. The blue areas are areas where you should be buying, basically signifying that price is low. And the reason we call this the bank secret indicator, because the bank looks at these zones. They're looking to buy when it's low and sell when it's high, right? And that's the whole idea. And this is not, obviously, like any indicator, this is not the only indicator that you should be using. You could use this in conjunction with other things like moving averages, or say, for example, the RSI, or whatever your trading strategy is. This is just another great confirmation. So you can see here, I had another confirmation, and I looked in here and I saw that the bank secret indicator actually showed a blue zone here. So I actually took the trade, and it's currently in profit, and I think it will swing on up. That's at least what I'm seeing here. So that's the whole goal, right? It's a very simple indicator to use. And again, what this is signifying is most people, they trade against the smart money, right? This will help you get in alignment with the smart money, and just be a really cool tool to use in your trading arsenal. So again, you can think of this as like supply and demand. It's stronger zones than just a support and resistance zone. So price is likely to bounce off. And if you take a look here, I mean, look, price bounced off perfectly, price bounced off perfectly, price bounced off perfectly. And then we're coming down to this blue zone here. So this is why I am actually buying here. So long story short, that's it. It's really simple to use, and it's a lot of fun. And this was just something that you can add to your arsenal that will make your trading even that much more effective. Hey, thanks so much for watching. Make sure you join our free Discord channel to get access to all the cheat sheets and a bunch of other cool bonuses. The next video in the course is right here.